Yo, what is up, everyone? Really appreciate you all for tuning back in. Yo, what is up, everyone? We are back now. Really appreciate you all for tuning back in. And yes, before you tune into the live stream, just remember, guys, not financial advice. Please do your own research, of course. But yeah, let's get straight to it. But yes, guys, please do your own research, not financial advice. So before you tune into the live stream, just make sure you guys and gals know, not financial advice. But yes, let's get straight to it. Honestly, I'm ready for this week. What's up, everyone? Yes, we're going to start on the keys. We'll start on SPY, all that good stuff. So, first things first. We're going to start on the keys. Yo, Tori, what's up? How are you today? Good to see you on this Sunday. So yeah, we'll start on a higher time frame and then we'll go down to a lower time frame and break it down. I'm not gonna lie to you, I do see a little bit of movement here that doesn't look terrible. Let me just break this down on a lower time frame. Yo, Andrew, what's up? What's up? Yeah, let me do Mara and Hood. Yeah, good to see you again, man. Let me write all that down. Mara, H-O-D. Yeah, I'm doing amazing. Yeah, so pretty much was in nature all week. So yeah, pretty much just ready for tomorrow and this full week. So so the first thing that I see here, yes, there is a little bit of empty space here. So obviously, yes, what do we see here? A little bit of empty space here. PLTR, yeah, I can do that for you, no worries. Yeah, let me write all that down. PLTR. All right, cool, perfect. So yes, there is a little bit of empty space here that I'm seeing. And finally caught the cues. Yo, fire. I personally think earnings will send it to... Yeah, we'll definitely go to PLTR as well. So yeah, no worries at all. So right here, this is what I'm seeing. This looks absolutely amazing. And yes, guys, not financial advice. I'm only going over the chart. So yes, you have to do your own research. Gotcha, Jacob, no worries. All right, so first thing that I'm seeing. And this is, really what caught my eye here. Yes, we have this clear, easy move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering. And yes, this is exactly what I would want to the upside. So in order for us to actually do this one, we would need a top wall and also we would need a bottom wall. And the top wall and bottom walls that I'm seeing, points of contact. So you know what, we'll just box this whole thing up, that's fine. And these points of contact that I'm seeing, and I do the same method each and every day. I'm looking for a top wall and a bottom wall. And as you can see right here, we see two body candles. So a body candle here and also another body candle there, closing directly at the same line. And above us, what is this? We have no consolidation. And this is exactly what I'm targeting. Obviously, if we end up breaking above this wall, I want to target the most recent resistance, and that is that right there. Obviously, I would have a reliable trim probably at this first area. But yes, what do we have? This is another, hold on, give me a second. Top wall, another bottom wall. So yes, we don't want to trade inside of consolidation. We want to trade to consolidation. And as of right now, where are we at? So we are currently at this, 472 range. So no, there is nothing for us to do except for wait. There's just obviously not telling you guys to buy anything. So please do your own research, of course. I'm only going over the chart, so yes, not financial advice. But at some point in time, let's just say we do end up breaking and closing above this level here. I don't see any resistance until, boom, this green candle here. And yes, the middle is obviously going to be the empty spaces. The imbalance is where we trim most contracts once we do end up touching it. Yo, Sky Guy, what's up? Yo, Simone, what's up? Could you do IBM and NVIDIA? Yeah, I can definitely do that for you. Yeah, honestly, I want to see what NVIDIA is talking about. So yeah, no worries. So yeah, that looks really good. That is a, downside movement, and we want it to the upside. Shout out to Sky Guy for pulling up. But yes, guys, please do your own research. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please, before you do anything, do your own research. I'm only going over the charts, and that's pretty much it, and how I personally utilize Potter Box. So yes, as you can see, all of my trades, and I'm only showing you guys the charts. I look for the same method each and every day. I look for a clear move down. We ended up breaking above a wall, a level. We go up, and we tap. Obviously, we know about the early punchbacks. As you see the cues. Honestly, that's not even a good chart, but anyways, let's look at some more charts here. And yes, I'm looking for a clear move down of no consolidation. We end up breaking above a level, a wall. We go up and tap. So that's exactly what I'm looking for. But yeah, 1 second. I think I've seen something here on the cues. So, all right. This is what I have here. Wait, hold on. 465, 461. All right, not bad. All right, so same thing here. This is what I'm seeing. That does look pretty fire. Yo, what's up, Emily? How are you? Yeah, PLTR in the video. Yeah, definitely. Yo, Quincy, good afternoon. I almost said good morning, but... all right, so yeah, same thing here. What do I see? Clear, move up. So there's a clear buy-in. So with all of these green candles, with no red candles interfering. And this is exactly what I would want to the downside. Obviously, what do we need? We need an area of consolidation, so a Potter box. And we need a top wall. And we also need a bottom wall. And this bottom on top wall looks really amazing. Yo, Billy, what's up? What's up? And as you can see, under us, what is this? So body candle, body candle. So these are, you know, an area of consolidation. And this level right here is where price is having a very hard time getting under. And as you can see, buyers are controlling this floor here. And if we end up breaking under that wall, under that floor, I'm looking for the next resistance. Obviously, I would want to take it all the way down to my most recent resistance here. Yes, I would have a liable trim here, right there. But as you can see, first TP would still be from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move. And that is the 50% mark. This is where we typically trim contracts. Obviously, what are we doing? It does look like we are, you know, on an uptrend. So there's just nothing for us to do. So if we end up breaking and having a candle body closing under this wall into the empty space, that's exactly when I would care about this. But right now, no, I definitely don't care about this at all. So yeah, let's go over let's go over HOOD really quickly. So HOOD, and then we'll go over PLTR. Yeah, and IWM. Yeah, let me go ahead and write that down for you as well. IWM. What are your thoughts on? Yeah, I'll definitely take a look at it. So it does look like. So 1 second here. 1 second, 1 second. So it does look like we ended up tapping into this empty space here. Give me a second here. Let's go to a higher time frame, and then we'll work our way down. Yeah, no worries, no worries. I got you guys. How to find fair value gaps. Personally, I don't trade any fair value gaps. I only trade the Potter box with the empty space. I don't use any indicators. I don't use any volume, any of that. I just use the Potter box with the empty space. And yes, you can check in my Discord. Obviously, yes, do your own research, not financial advice. But yes, I use the same play each and every day. Oh, wow. I'm not going to lie to you. HOOD has... All right. Yeah. What is this? This is still a little bit of empty space here. Yes, I usually like to do my boxes outside this green wall, but... Is it bad? Yo, Cardi, what's up? What's up? RKLB, yeah, let me do that for you. I got you. Let me write that down. RKLB. Is it bad that I only use a 5-minute time frame? I mean, if it works for you, I'm definitely not going to tell you to, you know, knock it or whatever. But yeah, I personally use the higher time frames because I'm looking for the bigger reward. Obviously, lower time frame is going to give you the smaller rewards. Obviously, yes, guys, please do your own research. Not financial advice, so please, please, before you do anything, do your own research. But yeah, as you can see, my bad. But yeah, as you can see, what do we have here? And do you ever do 0 DTE? So if I do any day trades, so like all the day trades, you know, obviously, yes, we end up focusing. So our main focus inside of the Discord is our swing trades, and we swing trade at the end of the day. But for our day trades, so I do like to go and do a lot more work for the Discord. For our day trades, I personally will do 0 DTE. That's just me. Obviously, yes, you have to do your own research. Not telling you guys to do that. So please do your own research. But yes, if I trade on a, you know, let's just say I'm swing trading. If I swing trade anything, I'm buying at least a week or 2 weeks out. And that's just pretty much it. Clear move down. We end up breaking above a wall. And that's pretty much it. So, Yo, my guy, how are you, man? You dude, yeah, we have a big month coming up, and honestly, I'm ready. You obviously see the work that we do here. You know, you've been in the Discord, but anyways, yeah, I'm ready. And what is a swing trade? A swing trade is basically a trade that you hold overnight or over the course of a few days, a few weeks. But most of our plays happen within like a day to 3 days. Can I look at coin? Yeah, I got you. No worries. I can definitely do coin for you. So 1 second here. Coin, let's see. Hood has earnings. I'm not gonna lie, bro. So yeah, let me just go over this. So I use Potter boxes with empty space, and before I go over this, what I use here, I use Potter boxes with empty space. So all I'm looking for, and if you want to see the type of work that we do inside the Discord, you can go. You can join the free chat. We have the free chat. We also have the VIP chat where we give signals. But personally, just join the free chat. See how you like it. Clear move down. We end up breaking above a level. We broke above my wall. I want us to tap to the empty space. So DLTR, same thing here. Looking for a clear move down of all these red candles. Where there's no consolidation. We end up breaking above a level. We go up and tap. And that's pretty much it. Yo, Weezy, what's up? What's up? Dude, I know. We have I'm not gonna lie to you, we have a lot of good, decent plays that I am looking forward to this week. And do you offer one-on-one? So I do have one-on-one classes, so if you need a one-on-one class, just give me a DM. I'm only gonna do like 1 or 2, but or you can just join my free Discord, or I'm live every day. But yes, please do your own research, guys. I am not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research, not financial advice. But let me stop yapping and let's get straight to it. So, what do we have here? This looks fairly amazing. We have a top wall, and we also have a bottom. So, and yes, what do we see here? This looks fairly amazing. So this top wall that I'm seeing, yes, we obviously know about the early entries, but I'm waiting for a 24-hour breakout on a at the end of the day. So let's just say body wick and a body candle here, closing directly at the same line. And this is where price is having a very hard time getting over. So if we do end up breaking above this wall, I'm looking for resistance, and I personally want to take this up to this final target up to here. So right now, what are we doing? Where are we at? Currently, we are consolidating. We aren't even above cost basis yet. And right now, if I see us in consolidation, what am I going to do? I'm not going to do anything at all except for wait. And that's just pretty much it. I'm going to wait for my trades. If we're stuck in consolidation, I don't want to take anything at all. But if we break outside of consolidation, that's exactly when I would want to take it to the upside. And obviously, yes, guys, not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research. I'm only going over the charts and over examples. Yo, shout out to Weezy. Really appreciate it, man. Gonna pin your comment. Hims? Yeah, let me do that. Yo, Matt, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate all the follows. So yeah, let me see. And yes, I am going down the line, guys and gals. So, if I did miss you, I will get to it. So 1 second here. So Hims, let me write that down. Yeah, I got you guys. So let me go over PLTR, and then the video will actually be next. But yeah, that does look pretty decent. Let's go over what PLTR. So PLTR was actually one of the trades I did end up calling out. And as you can see, yes, I think we had what? We had a box here to there. We had, so yes, we'll go over a new one right here. Just give me a second. So yes, where was this at? 1 second. I can only show you the charts. I can't show you anything else. 1 second. Where was this at? All right. So yeah, PLTR. And no, this was the one I called out, but I didn't get into. But as you see, I called it out for the VIP chat. You can see this was on the 22nd, 24-hour calls. You can see where we were at. We had a clear move down, and I was waiting for a break outside the level, outside the wall here, and boom, we ended up tapping. And actually, that ended up working out great. Can I do APP? Yeah, I definitely can. What are you using? So this is TradingView. So this is TradingView. This is how I go over all my analysis. And that's pretty much it. So yes, we will be going over a lot more examples, but please guys, just remember, not financial advice, so please do your own research. I am not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research, of course. Yeah, let's actually see. NBIS and APP. Yo, J Crump, what's up, what's up? Yeah, so yes, I have a whole list to go over, so It's gonna take a little bit, so no worries. I'll get to pretty much all of them. Oh wow, so it does look like we are currently going up. That doesn't look bad. Feels like we can end up targeting into the empty space, of course. But right now, let's see. Yo, thanks for the gift. Really appreciate it. Yes, personally, I almost done with this trade. I did end up missing this one, but a lot of my members did end up holding this. But 1 second here. Honestly, give me a second. Give me 1 second. Yes, I know it does look like we can't end up continuing to the upside, but I also see this. So just give me a chance here. Let me see. 107, 104. Okay, yeah, this doesn't look bad at all. And yes, I look for the same play each and every day. I don't change anything at all, guys. Guys and gals. But what is the first thing that I saw here? Yes, obviously I know we're clearly pushing up. There's just nothing for us to do right now, except for wait. And right now, what am I seeing? I see, so hold on, give me a second. What is this? So the first thing that caught my eye, so let's just pretend we're finding a trade, we're trying to find something. I see a clear move up of all of these green candles with no red candles interfering, and this is exactly what I would want to the downside. Obviously, what do I need? I would need a top wall and a bottom wall. So top wall, also nice bottom wall. So this looks fairly amazing, and yes, I'm not just making random boxes and just going by there. I'm looking for points of contact. Obviously, once this top wall, I'm looking at body candle, another body candle here. And for this bottom wall, I'm seeing there's a body candle and also a body wick closing directly at the same line. And under us, what do we have under us? So we have empty space. So exactly, let me show you exactly what I'm targeting. I'm targeting candles with no consolidation. And right now, yes, we're going up. There's nothing for us to do. I wouldn't get into any trade. Obviously, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. I'm only going over examples here. So yes, please do your own research. But let's just say we do end up breaking under this wall and having a candle body closing under it. Where am I going to stop out? I don't see any resistance, guys, until boom, this red candle here. And yes, if you guys want to, this is also, it's not really a box, but you know, we're basically trading from one box to the next box. But yes, what are we doing? We are consolidating. Nothing for us to do. If we end up breaking under that wall, first TP would still be the middle of the move, and this is called the imbalance. Obviously, yes, there's, you know, same thing, but different names. But right now, yes, I pretty much just wait for all my trades, and that's pretty much it. So that is on PLTR. Yes, it does look like we can continue up, but as of right now, I'm not really too worried about it. But yeah, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. Now, let's keep on going. So that was on PLTR. Let's look at NVDA. Let's see what the damage is here. Yo, Netflix and Tesla. Honestly, yeah, let me look at, yeah, that's actually a great recommendation. Netflix, NFLX, and also Tesla. Yep, got you guys. But yes, guys, I know I'm repeating this every 5 seconds, but please do your own research, not financial advice. So please do your own research, guys. Ooh, hold on. Give me a second here. So let me go ahead and remove these drawings. Yo, shout out to Bill. Dude, it's going to be a great week. I'm ready for tomorrow. I'm ready for this whole week. Last week we had a great week as well. And, oh wait, hold on. Give me a second. All right. So personally, all right. So I see two possible outcomes here. That doesn't look too bad. Okay. So for the downside, at least, what are we seeing? We see, man, and this is on a 1 hour chart. So yes, all of my day trades. So if I day trade anything, it'll be like on a 2 hour, 1 hour, 30-minute chart, maybe a 15-minute. But yes, if I swing trade, it'll be on a higher time frame. So yes, if you are planning on joining my Discord, I just want to let you guys know we do trade at the end of the day. So our main trades will be the last hour of the day, and we swing them into the next day, the next couple days. But yes, I do like to do extra work for the Discord. So yeah, if you do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. You can join the free chat. You can also join the VIP chat. That's where we give signals and stuff. But yes, please do your own research before doing anything. So please, not financial advice, guys. You have to do your own research. But yeah, as you can see, what do we have here? We have a top wall. We all have a bottom wall. we have this empty space that looks fairly amazing. This looks really good because this has no consolidation, and this is exactly what I would want. Obviously, what do we have here? We have a top wall and a bottom wall. And you got to understand, this bottom wall here is going to be our most important wall because this needs to be broken in order for us to take this to the downside. So yes, if we are stuck in consolidation, I'm not going to do anything at all. And as you can see, top wall, body candle. So those are 2 points of contact. Bottom wall, body candle here. And those are also 2 points of contact as well. Obviously, if we are consolidating, I am not doing anything. I'm going to wait. And we could end up consolidating for the whole year. If we're inside of this consolidation area, I am not taking a trade at all. I would only care about this trade if we can break under. Is this for options? So yes, this is for options. Obviously, it works on, futures. It works on, Forex, every single chart. But yes, we mainly do options inside of the Discord. Yeah, AMD, yeah, honestly, why hasn't anyone said AMD yet? Yeah, we'll definitely go over that. But yes, guys, please do your own research. This is not financial advice. I'm only going over charts, and that's pretty much it. So yes, let's just say we do end up breaking under that wall here. I don't see any resistance, guys, until, boom, this red candle here. As you can see, what do we have? Another top wall, another bottom wall. And as you can see, what is this? This is an area of consolidation. We don't want to trade inside of consolidation. We want to trade to consolidation. So basically from one box to the next box, and that's pretty much it. So right now, yes, we're consolidating. There's nothing for us to do. Not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research. Yo, Ant, what's up? What's up? Shout out to Ant. That's my guy. I really appreciate you for tuning back in. What's up, Banks? But yeah, options is really good. Obviously, options and futures. I do like both, but yes, they have their pros and cons for sure. Obviously, first take profit would still be the middle of the move, and that is the imbalance. So yes, the imbalance is pretty much where we take most of our profits once we do end up touching that as well. So what time frame candle close are you looking for this concurrent? So I personally would want a 1 hour candle closure underneath this wall. So yes, buyers are controlling this bottom floor and sellers are controlling this top floor. So buyers' job is to keep price pushing up, and sellers' job is to keep price pushing down. So right now, no, there's just nothing for me to do. We are consolidating, and yes, you all have to do your own research. Remember, guys, not financial advice. Just want to let you guys know that. But yeah, right now, yes, a 1 hour candle closure, I would definitely love that. But yes, I could go down to a 30-minute, go down to a lower time frame. And if we close down on a, let's just say we did it on a 1 hour, but we want to find a lower time frame entry. Boom, 30-minute. Is there anything stopping us? No, there will be nothing stopping us. If I want to go down to a 15-minute, I would have to do the same thing. Is there anything stopping us on the 15-minute? No. So yeah, so you can have a higher time frame analysis with a lower time frame entry. But personally, I would want a 1 hour candle closure. What's stopping you is Trump. Actually, what's stopping me is, well, it's Sunday, so there's nothing we can do, obviously. So hold on 1 second here. Amazon, yeah, let me write that down. let me see. I'm writing all this down, guys. So yes, I'm going down the line. I have a whole list. Yes, feel free to roast my handwriting. It's cool. It's fine. So yeah, we'll keep on going. So INTC as well. Yeah, 1 second. I'm writing all this down. INTC. Yo, thank you all so much for tuning in. And yes, if you guys do want to join the free Discord, link is in the bio. We also have the VIP chat where we give signals. I wish I could show you what we do in the Discord. I wish I could show you, but I can't. If you want to see the type of work that we do, just go to my gains page. You can scroll through. Obviously, I post my charts pretty much every day as well. So I'm looking for a clear move down of no consolidation. We end up breaking above a level, above a wall. I want us to go up a tap. So SPY, QQQ, no consolidation. We break over my wall. I want us to go up a tap. That was a crazy move. And as you can see, those are some different trades. But yes, please do your own research, guys. Not financial advice, so please do your own research. But obviously, yes, we could end up. So right now, we're consolidating. There's nothing for us to do. So I personally just wait for the charts to tell me what to do. And if the charts tell me, okay, it's time for puts, that's when I'll get in. If it tells me if it's time for calls, that's when I'll get in. But right now, there's just nothing for us to do. So yes, you have to do your own research, everyone. So what? Let me do AMD. Yeah, let's do AMD really quickly, and then yes, we're going down the line, of course. It looks like I already have something here, but okay. So let's start on a higher time frame. So yes, I like to start on the 24-hour time frame, and then work my way down. Hold on. Give me a second here. I'm not gonna lie, that looks pretty fire. Okay, so at least for the top wall, this looks pretty nice. HYN. Yeah, let me write that down. Let me see. Hold on. 1 second. So yeah, market opens what, 9:30 Eastern time on what, Monday? Dude, I know. Yeah. So yeah, HIMS. So yeah, we'll definitely do HIMS as well. So yeah, no worries. I was like, haven't heard of that one, but we can definitely try to see what that's talking about. Yeah, but yeah, no worries. All right, so same thing here. What do we have? So same thing. Clear move down of all these red candles with no red candles interfering. And yes, what do we need? I'm looking at, so there's a top wall. There's also a bottom wall here. And as you can see, we have an area of consolidation. And this area of consolidation needs to be broken in order for us to take this to the upside. And let's just say we do end up breaking above this wall here. I don't see any resistance, guys. Until boom, this green candle here. And yes, what is this? Another top wall, another bottom wall. And we basically want to trade from one consolidation area to the next consolidation area. And as you can see, let me go ahead and circle exactly what I'm targeting. This is an area of no consolidation at all. Obviously, my first take profit would still be the middle of this move, so the imbalance, and that is the 50% mark. This is where we typically trim contracts. Obviously, where are we at? We almost broke over this wall. But as you can see, sellers, okay, hold on, I messed this wall up. So sellers are controlling this top wall, and their job is to keep price pushing down. As you can see, what happened on what, Friday? Friday, we were almost above this, well, we were above this level right here, but as you can see, sellers' job is to keep price pushing down, and that's exactly what they did. But in order for us to tap into this empty space above us, we would need for sellers to get exhausted and for buyers to step in for us to actually enter into this trade. But right now, yes, guys, there's nothing for us to do, so just remember, please do your own research, not financial advice. I'm only going over the chart, so before you tune into the live stream, or if you have been watching, please make sure to do your own research. But yeah, please do your own research, of course. But yeah, that does look really good. That looks really decent as well. As you can see, we are trying to break over this level. But yeah, it doesn't look bad. Not bad at all. Personally, yes, if I did this on a, I could easily do this on a 24-hour. 24-hour does look pretty good. So yeah, I'm not gonna lie, there's a top wall there. There's also this bottom wall here. So this is a 24-hour chart, not the 1 day. And you guys and gals may be asking, why am I on a 24-hour chart and not a 1 day? It's because the 24-hour charts have more information. And let's just say if I trade on a 1 day. So 1 day chart, you can see there's a lot more gaps. And I don't want to trade anything like this because there's a lot of gaps. There's not a lot of information inside of these candles. So I go to the 24-hour, and if we can break it down, there's a lot more information inside these candles and less gaps. Matthew, what's up? How do you find and pick your strike prices? So that's a perfect question. So let's just say on the 24-hour we have a wall that needs to be broken. I don't see any resistance until boom, this 101 area. Obviously in the middle, what do we have? We have clear move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering, and this is exactly what I would want to the upside. So yeah, I'll go over the video. We'll go over pretty much everything. I have everything written down. Yo, Banks, what's up? What website are you? So this is Trading. This is TradingView. So TradingView is how I go over all my analysis before I enter into any trades. Try IBM on the 1 day or two. Okay, yeah, gotcha, man. So yeah, no worries. Yeah, we could definitely do IBM. Yeah, actually, IBM is supposed to be what next? We have what HIMS as well. HIMS, IBM, IWM, RKLB, all that good. Yeah, we'll definitely do that as well. And APP, yeah, we'll definitely do that. No worries, guys. So yes, first take profit would still be the middle of the move. And we'll go over strike prices, exactly what I'm looking at. But yes, guys, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please, please do your own research, not financial advice. I'm only going over it with examples and how I personally utilize the product box. So personally, and yes, all of my swing trades. How do you draw the box? Yo, Cheek by Design, what's up? What's up? Good to see you again. I was like, yo, where are you at? Oh, yeah. So anyways, how do I draw this box? And yes, we will go over how I draw the box, what strike prices I like, all that good stuff. But please, guys, just remember, not financial advice, so please do your own research. And yes, I know I'm repeating this, but yes, you have to do your own research. Yo, what's up, Jeff? My guy, Jeff. Really appreciate you tuning back in. So yeah, this is TradingView, everyone. So how do I use, how many times are you going to tell us? Trust me, man, I don't want to have to mention it, but I have to. But yeah, how do I draw this box? All that I need here, all you have to go to is this geometric shapes. You click on the shapes, and then we have the rectangle here, and that's just pretty much how you draw the box. Boom. Trust me, I don't want to say it. Trust me, it's annoying me that I have to say it. But, you know, if you're, you know, an OG, you guys know why I have to say it. But yeah, good to see you once again. But yeah, that's pretty much how you draw the box. If you want the middle line here, all you would have to do is just double tap it, and then boom, you have the middle line. Obviously, I love purple, so purple looks pretty cool in my box. But yes, now let's go over this. Yeah, shout out to what Glock said. So personally, yes, I don't want to have to mention it every 5 seconds, but yes, I have to tell you guys, not financial advice, and you have to do your own research. So yeah, personally, if I take a trade or if I chart something on a 24-hour chart, I wait until the end of the day. So yes, the last hour, the last 30 minutes is when I enter into any trades on a 24-hour time frame. And all of these charts that I'm showing you that that I'm going to show you here. So BABA, we called this yesterday, well, not yesterday, but last week. We had a clear move down, and at the end of the day, we were above this level, this wall. And as you can see, I wanted it to the upside. First take profit was hit, same thing, BA. So we had a clear move down, and during the day, we ended up, so we were inside of this box right here. So there's no entry. There's nothing for us to do. So I wait until the last hour, the last 30 minutes. And once we break over our wall, we swing it into the next day, and boom, that's pretty much it. Obviously, yes, you have to do your own research. If you guys and gals do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio as well. So you enter anticipating a gap down. So yeah, pretty much it. And these boxes pretty much tell me, you know, okay, is it time to enter? Is it time to exit? And if we're stuck in consolidation, as you can see, this is consolidation. I would not want to take that trade whatsoever. So strike price, contracts, what do I look at? And yes, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. I'm only going over, you know, this method and how I personally utilize it. So we have this clear move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering. This is exactly what I want to the upside. Obviously, we have a wall that needs to be broken. This is 96 area. My final take profit is this 101 area. So this is my final take profit. Obviously, my first take profit is 99. So yes, if I swing trade anything, and yes, I'm not telling you guys to swing trade this. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. I'm only going over example here. Plus, we're consolidating. There's nothing for us to do. So and yes, we see a clear move down. There's 1, 2. So it took 2 red candles for this move to happen to the downside, and each candle was worth 1 day. So 1 day here and another day here. So it took 2 full days for this full move to happen to the downside. So once we break outside of the wall, I'm expecting at least 2 days to the upside. And that's just pretty much it. Obviously, just because I see 2 days, I don't want to buy 2 days out. I at least buy a week or 2 weeks out. And so we got that part down. So my final take profit is this 101. My first take profit is this 99 area. So my strike price, maybe I get some 100 strike, some 101 strike. But yeah, I go by target-based contracts, and that's what I do every single day, target-based contracts. Obviously, no, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. I'm only going over these examples. Yes, I know you guys are annoyed at me saying this, but please do your own research. Can you show us how to get the box one more time? Yeah, no worries. I can show you that as well. Does the strategy only work on it? So it works on, so Matthew, it works on the 24-hour, the 4-hour, the 1 hour. It works on every single time frame, any chart. Name a chart right now. I can do it on any time frame. Obviously, yes, you have to do your own research. So the win rate, so it really doesn't matter about the win rate because I have a break-even stop loss. So I have a very minimal stop loss each and every time. If you want to see the type of work that we do, what we do here inside of the Discord, you can click the link in the bio and you can join the free Discord. Honestly, don't even join the VIP. Yes, the VIP is where we give signals, but just join the free version. See what we did on BABA. See what we did on all these other trades. You can literally just scroll through and just, I could scroll through for months and you can just see the type of work that we do, all that good stuff. Look at the testimonials, all that stuff there. But yes, please do your own research as well. 1 second here. Use 1 hour. Okay, yeah, we can definitely do a 1 hour as well. Yo, Jordan, how do I get the box one more time? Yes, no worries, man. So, personally, how I got this box here, all you have to do is just go over to the left-hand corner. You just click on the geometric shapes, and then boom. You have your shapes down here. You got your rectangle, and that's just pretty much the box. Obviously, if you want the middle line, you would have to double tap it, and then you have your middle line there. But yeah, I have mine in purple. You can change it to any color. Yo, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. How do I find the boxes? Do you end up getting stopped out often? So yeah, I will be honest. Sometimes I will get stopped out, but I always find a re-entry. So, and yes, if I have to get stopped out, I don't cry about it. I don't care about it at all. I just get out, and if I find it looking good again, that's when I'll get in. And yes, for my 24-hour trades, so for my swing trades, I will give it a little bit more breathing room. But yeah, personally, yes, if I get stopped out, that's fine. If you want to see what we do inside of the Discord, inside the games page, you can just look. Yeah, I can do SPY. Yeah, no worries. Where do you place your stops? My stops will typically be my entry. So let's just say we do end up breaking above this wall, and we're going up. Where I enter in is going to be my exit. Obviously, I may give it a little bit of breathing room, but I still have to get out. If I have to get out, we have our take profits there. We have our stop losses, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, let's go. Let me do SPY on the 1 hour. You guys want to see SPY on the 1 hour? So yeah, it works on any time frame. I could do it on the 1 second, but I don't want to do it on the 1 second chart. But yeah, let's go to this. I'm not gonna lie though. Hold on, give me a second. Oh wait, hold on. Oh, looks like we're filling this empty space up here. That looks wild. So 1 second. And yes, guys, please do your own research. Not financial advice, so please do your own research. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. You all have to do your own research yourself. Yeah, Tesla. Yeah, I can do Tesla. Yeah, no worries. So yeah, SPY. What is this? And yes, if I trade anything, if I day trade anything at least, it'll either be the Qs. The Qs will be my first option. It'll be SPY or it'll be NVIDIA. But yeah, let's look at this 1 hour chart. You guys can see the 1 hour, of course. What do we have? We see a clear move up, all these green candles with no red candles interfering. And this is exactly what I would want to the downside. Obviously, what do we need here? We need a top wall and we also need a bottom wall. And these are points of contact. Beautiful. And it all, I love like when it just lines up and you know, it just makes my job easier. And yes, if you're in my Discord, I look for the same method each and every day. I don't rush into any trades. I set my targets. I have my boxes set. Once, it's time, that's when I'll get in. But yeah, if we consolidate, if there's nothing for me to do, I'm not going to do anything at all. But yeah, as you can see, we have the empty space. So let me go ahead and we have candles with no consolidation. We have our top wall, our bottom wall that needs to be broken. As you can see, what is the top wall? This is seller's control. So body wick, body candle, and another body wick closing directly at the same line. Same thing with the bottom. I look for 2 points of contact or more. We see a body candle and also a body wick closing directly at this same line. And let's just say we do end up breaking below that level, that wall. I don't see any resistance, guys, until boom, this red candle here. Obviously, yes, I would definitely have a trim here, but I do want this full move. Obviously, first take profit would still be the middle of the move. So for my entry, to the exit, the literal middle. And this box does it perfectly for me each time. I don't have to guess. I don't have to, you know, and boom. As you can see, what are we doing now? Looks like we are going up, but right now I wouldn't care about this trade unless we can get underneath this wall, targeting to the downside. But right now, yes, we are consolidating. Buyers are controlling this floor. So once price comes down here, buyer's job is to control this floor to keep price pushing up. And look what happened. Pushed up, pushed up, pushed up. We pushed up and we pushed up. But we need sellers. We need buyers to get exhausted in order for us to go to the downside. Why not target up? Actually, that's actually a good question. There is. So there is empty space to the upside and the downside. And look at this. Clear. This is clear as day. There's also a clear move down. That looked really well. I don't see any resistance till up to here. So same exact thing each and every day. I don't change anything at all. Obviously that does look like it's already in place, so I don't want to chase that at all. So we did actually, and yes guys, please do your own research, not financial advice. So yes, let's just say we do end up breaking outside the other way. If we end up breaking back inside the wall, we can use an early entry here, but we'll go over that a little bit later. But yeah, if we end up punching outside this wall here, I don't care about it at all. I would only care about it if we end up breaking under this level. And sometimes, yes, if I draw my box, it can go up, who cares? But I don't care about this trade unless we can break down below, targeting into this empty space. So what are the blue lines indicating? So the blue lines that are indicating are just my take profit levels and pretty much. So let's just go over this. So obviously we have an empty space. We have our, bottom wall, top wall as well. And yes, bottom wall, what am I seeing? So this first blue line here is going to be my entry area. Obviously, this is going to be where these candles are having a hard time breaking under. And if we break under that, this is going to be where I want to enter in. So yes, body candle and also a body wick. And then my next blue line is where I see resistance. So this is my final take profit down here. My first take profit, boom, will be the middle of the move. So from my entry to my exit and the literal middle. And that's pretty much it. But yes, there's nothing for us to do here. You have to do your own research. Yes, it does look like we're going up. So no, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. I'm only going over examples. So please do your own research. Do you future trade? So actually, I'm starting up my futures account for tomorrow. It's gonna be great. So I think I will be doing like a challenge. So yeah, you guys will see it soon. You guys will see the challenge. But yeah, as you can see, what do we have here? Empty space. That does look pretty good. But yeah, let's keep on going. Let's go to the next one as well. Let's see. Which one did you guys want me to do next? Let's see. Tesla. Yeah, let me do Tesla really quickly. So Tesla's actually a pretty good one that, oh wow. Yeah, I see something here. I'm not gonna lie though, I think I had it on a 24-hour time frame. And yes, guys, I go to a 24-hour chart and then I work my way down. Obviously, hold on. Ooh, this one looks juicy. Yeah, I can definitely do the video as well. The futures just opened. I'm pretty sure they're about to open or something like that. But so yeah, Jay is actually inside of the Discord. If you want to see what we do here, you can obviously just look inside the Discord. We have the free chat. Link is in the bio. But yeah, you can see us. Ask the members what we do here. Either my play works or it doesn't work. And that's pretty much it. Yo, shout out to Jay. Yeah. Actually, the whole Discord has been going wild. But yes, please do your own research, guys. So please do your own research. I'm not gonna lie. So let me go ahead and break this down. We already have our boxes, but let's see. Yo, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. All right, let me go ahead. You know what? Let me move this real quick. Let me move this. All right. So fire. Yeah, let me go ahead and pin the comment. Yeah, shout out to Jay for pulling up once again. All right, hold on. Give me a second. All right. Why is this moving? All right, cool. All right, so same thing here. What do I see? What do I see here, guys and gals? We see a clear move down of all of these red candles with no green candles interfering. And I'm not gonna lie, I've been waiting on weeks for this trade, but we'll see what happens. Yes, we are consolidating. There's nothing for me to do. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research, of course. As you can see, we have a top wall. We also have, honestly, this is a nice bottom wall here. So Anyways, I'll just do it from bottom wall there. That's fine. So top wall, we have this bottom wall there. And these are points of contact that I'm seeing. Brianna, you don't know. No worries. Maybe you know more than me. All good. No worries. But anyways, as you can see, what do we have? We have a... Brianna, you follow me. What? But anyways, all good. Hope you're having a blessed day today. But anyways, yeah, as you can see, what do we have? I was like, wait, she follows me. But yeah, no worries, no worries. Hope you're having a good one. But yeah, we have a clear move down of all these green candles, or all these red candles, with no green candles interfering. And we have a top wall and a bottom wall that needs to be broken in order for us to take this to the upside. Obviously, yes, guys, not financial advice. So please do your own research as well. As you can see, we have a body candle and also a body wick closing directly at the same line. If we do end up breaking above this level here, I'm looking for resistance, and I don't see any resistance, guys and gals, until we see this green candle here. And what are we doing right now? We are consolidating. There's nothing for us to do. I'm not going to do anything at all. But yes, if we end up breaking above this level, this 298 area, I don't see any resistance, guys, until boom, this green candle here. Obviously, what is this? This is also another box, a top wall and a bottom wall here. That does look very amazing. So yes, we don't want to trade inside of consolidation. We want to trade to consolidation. That looks really good. So yeah, this is not financial advice, guys, so please do your own research. So yes, you have to do your own research. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. Yes, I know I am repeating myself like every 5 seconds, but yes, please do your own research, of course. Man, you guys are funny. I'm not gonna lie, Brianna caught me off guard. I was like, wait, what? Yeah, that's so funny. But anyways, yes, first EP would still be the middle of the move. From the entry to the exit, the literal middle. And right now, what are we doing? Absolutely nothing. Nothing at all. Hey, do you use Fib tools? So I actually don't. My bad for missing your question. But yeah, I don't use any Fibonacci tools. I only use these boxes and these lines. So these consolidation area, and with the yeah, so there's no volume, there's no indicators, there's nothing. Obviously, yes, if you want to see the type of work that we do inside of my Discord, you can go to the games page, you can go to the testimonials. Obviously, we have the VIP chat and we have the free chat. So yes, VIP chat is where we give signals and stuff. Yo, Marco, what's up? Yo, Inflames, my guy. Dude, how are you today, man? How do you find a bias if time frames are different? Yeah, we'll definitely do that as well. NBIS, hold on one second. Oh, wait, hold on, guys. There's this twerking song that's on right now. It's not time to twerk, it's time to chart. So yeah, I had to change that, my bad. All right, yeah, so right now there's just nothing for me to do. I'm not doing anything at all. But yeah, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it, guys. Guys and gals. So yeah, right now, that does look pretty good. There's just nothing for me to do at all. One second. So yes, that is on Tesla. Actually, you know what? I have to put my alert there because I do want that. But anyways, yeah. Yo, Megs, I know it's literally on the playlist. I mean, if you guys know a better playlist that I could play during the live, just let me know. I honestly can't play the music that I want to play on here, but you know, it's fine. If I play something that I want to play, it might be Jace or Summers, I don't know. But anyways, but not too many people know what I like to listen to. But anyways, but yeah, let me do hymns as well and IBM as well. So yeah, this is I do have, so everything will be in the link in the bio. And you can see in the Discord my other platforms that I do have as well. But yeah, shout out to Megs for pulling up. Really appreciate it. And Netflix. Oh yeah, did I not do Netflix? Hold on. I got you. NF LX. Yeah, I got you guys and gals. Really appreciate it. So, and IBM. Yeah, Simone, I got you. No worries. All right. Yeah. So hymns. Okay. All right. So hold on. Give me a second. Let me see if it's worth it. 30, 32, 31. IWM. Did I forget? Did I forget that? Hold on. Okay, I got you. IWM. I'll pull it up. I swear. I got you guys. IBM as well. I think I did IBM. Anyways, who cares? All right. Hymns. This is what I see here. Verizon 8. Yo, V. Yo, Shining, what's up? MSTR. Yeah, got you guys. Honestly, Verizon and AT&T are the ones I do love trading. Those are like, they have like cheap contracts, and they're pretty fire. So INTC, yeah, Megs, I got you. No worries at all. And the Qs. Do you use the paid version of trading? Yes, I do. And I don't know, it kind of just takes out of my account. I did the yearly, I think. But yeah, I pretty much have everything here. And NBI, dude, J Crop, I didn't forget about you either, man. I got you with what, NBIS? That's what you wanted to see? Yeah, I got you guys. So yeah, hymns. Let's go over this one. Top wall, there's also a bottom wall here. That looked fairly decent. That looked really good. As you can see, top wall that needs to be broken. Body candle closing there. We don't see any resistance, guys. And so boom, this green candle here. Obviously, this is not the best empty space, but there's still a little bit of empty space as well. So this is on a 24-hour chart. So most of my trades will be on the 24-hour, but I'm not gonna lie, you know, like I think like starting like last month or whatever, I have been, last couple months, I have been, you know, locking in with the day trades for the team. I do want to do a lot of more extra work for the Discord. So yeah, the end of day swings, those are what we will focus on. So that will be literally my main focus. But yeah, I do, you know, like doing a little bit of extra work as well for the Discord. So yeah, that is on hymns. Obviously, yes, we are consolidating. There's nothing for us to do. So please, guys and gals, do your own research, not financial advice. Please do your own research. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so you have to do your own research, of course. All right, so J Crump, this is for you, man. I think you wanted what, NBIS? Correct me if I'm wrong here. But yeah, we'll go over everything. I have everything else pulled up. Hold on, give me a second. All right, hold on, let's see. And yes, I start on a higher time frame, and then I go down to a lower time frame. And Roblox, yep, got you guys. Thanks for the follows, really appreciate it. RBLX. All right, so NBIS, let's see. So on the 24-hour chart, I will be honest, I don't see anything that I like. And let's just say if I don't see anything that I like, I would go down to a lower time frame. Honestly, there is a little bit of empty space here, so that's a little bit of empty space there. But yes, I start on a higher time frame. If I don't see anything, actually, let's start on the weekly. So weekly, hold on. That weekly doesn't look too bad there. I'm not gonna lie. Just give me a second. Let's go to a 4-hour, and then we'll break this one down. And same thing here. Oh wait, hold on. I see something. I see it, man. So yeah, this looks fairly decent. 23. So same thing here. Obviously, what do we have? Bottom wall, top wall. Hold on. Let's see. 2 hour, 1 hour. Please load. All right, cool. Yeah, 4-hour looks the best for me at least. And yeah, I look for the same play on each trade. Doesn't matter which chart I'm looking at. I'm looking for the same play, the same thing each and every day. As you can see, what do we have? We have this area of consolidation that needs to be broken to the downside. Obviously. Let's see. We have, one second, guys. Let me make sure the chat is all good. Let me make sure they're all chilling. Yeah, we're good. Let's see. And yes, guys, please do your own research, not financial advice. So yes, I'm only going over the chart. So yes, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. So please do your own research. Hold on, give me a second. I have to respond. One second. Hold on, give me a second. One of my members was like, yo, you're not on live for too long, but honestly, we're still on. We're still here. I'm still here. All right, yeah, top wall. We have a bottom wall there that looks pretty decent. We do have this bottom that looks really good. So body candle there. We end up breaking under that wall there. I don't see any resistance, guys, until, honestly, I would take it down to this red candle here. That looks really good. And right now, yes, we're consolidating. There's just nothing for us to do except for just to wait. Obviously, the middle of the move is the inbounds. This is where we typically trim most contracts. So yeah, that looks pretty good. Yo, thanks for sharing the live. Really appreciate it. Yo, thanks, Glock. Really appreciate you, man. Thanks for the follows, by the way. So yeah, that was on NBIS. Let's go to IWM. And honestly, hold on. Let's see. Start on a higher time frame. And then we'll work our way down. Honestly, it does look like, hold on, give me a second. Okay. I'm not gonna lie, Glock, I'm not gonna lie to you. It does look pretty appetizing, not bad. And Glock, he's actually one of the moderators inside the Discord, and Man, he goes crazy. You know, he's fire. But anyways, make sure to go give Glock a follow as well. But anyways, yeah, top wall, bottom wall there. Oh, man. Dude, yeah, that does look pretty good. Yo, my guy, Tony, what's up, dude? How are you today, man? Good to see you once again. All right, yeah, what do we have? And yes, guys, not financial advice. Please do your own research as well. I'm looking at this 2 red candles with no green candles interfering. Bro, why this page didn't pop up on me? Dude, I don't know. Who knows? Maybe... I'm not sure. Inky pulled back it open, so it kind of changes the plan a little bit. Oh, okay. So yeah, we'll just have to see what happens there. But as you can see, yes, clear move down of all these red candles. And as you can see, can you guys still see my live? Just let me know before I get started. Hold on, give me a second. Oh yeah, I think we should be good. Yeah, we should be good. But yes, guys, please do your own research. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. All right, cool. Thank you. Shout out to Inflames. I was a little bit worried. I was like, wait. Some people say they can't see it, but anyways, it's cool. Yes. So as you can see, it does look like the imbalance is yet to be hit. But yes, we still have empty space up to that 198. Obviously, that does look good. Shout out to Jay. Shout out to Megs and Tony. Really appreciate it. I was like, wait, hold on. Give me a second. All right, yeah, that's IWM. That does look pretty good. If we want to go down to a lower time frame and break it down, let's do that. All right, cool. Hold on. 4 hour. Let's see. 4 hour, 2 hour, actually. All right, yeah, cool. Got it. Perfect. All right, so yeah, same thing here. I'm looking for the same thing as well. Do you like to target liquidity too, bro? I will be honest. I know what it is. I've studied it back in the earlier days, but personally, I don't even care about it. Obviously, yes, I do keep it in mind, but I try not to let anything else go in with the Potter Box strategy. Yo, good afternoon. Thank you so much for the follow. Really appreciate it. All right, so yes, what do we have under us? Or well, what do we have here? Clear move down of all of these, or clear move up of all these green candles with no red candles interfering. We have a bottom wall that needs to be broken. We break out of that. I don't see any resistance here. First TP would still be the middle of the move. So yes, from the entry to the exit, the literal middle. So yes, guys, not financial advice. Please do your own research. And no, I would never DM you guys first asking for anything. But yeah, I do have a backup though as well. Dude, honestly, we'll just have to see. We'll just have to see how the charts play out. But yeah, it does. We have empty space to the upside and the downside. Obviously, I'm the put bro, so I love my puts. Yo, Kimberly, yes I am. Everything is in the link to the bio. So we have the Discord, we have the free chat. We also have the VIP chat where we give signals. That's the Discord link in the bio. And yes, everything will be in the bio as well. So yeah, that was on IWM. Let's go to IBM. Looks like I had something on here as well. Hold on, give me a second. Oh well. Okay, I did. And yeah, it doesn't look bad. Yeah, did I do Netflix? Did I? Hold on. AMD, that looks pretty good. 1 second. NFLX, I think I did. Hold on. But yeah, we'll go to IBM after this. All right, yeah, I don't think we did Netflix, but all right. So IBM, this looks really good. Yo, someone is using your name with. Someone's trying to steal your. Dude, what? Someone's trying, really? Using my. Dude, honestly, yes, guys, please. I would never DM you guys with any other accounts. Just please send me that. Just let me know. That's weird. What in the world? Give me a second. Are you sure? Oh well. Is it like a bot account or something? Just let me know. Oh man. Not again. With my picture on it? Wow. So okay, that's actually crazy. Yeah. So yeah, there are a lot of fake accounts. So definitely, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. Not financial advice. I would never DM you asking for money, doing anything like that. Like, you gotta understand, guys and gals. Why would a trader? Well, obviously, why would a trader just ask someone for money? Just start trading or something. Wow, that's actually wild. So yes, not financial advice. Please do your own research, guys. But thanks for the heads up. I'll see what's happening there. Obviously, yes. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Gonna get some fruit and stuff. Give me a second, guys. I'll be right back. And yes, do your own research, guys. Do your own research. All right, I'm back. I am back here. Really appreciate it. Phil coin is exploding. Let's see. All right, so IBM. This does look pretty decent here. It does look like we are currently inside of this empty space here. No, I'm not in this trade. But yes, what do we see? We have this clear move down of this big red candle here with no green candles interfering. And this is exactly what I would want to the upside. Hold on. One second. All right, cool, we're good. So yes, clear move down of no consolidation. Looks like we ended up breaking above this wall, but yes, we'll just have to see what happens there. Doesn't look bad though. But yes, not telling you guys to buy anything. You all have to do your own research. That is on IBM. Let's see. Honestly, let me see what Schwab is doing. Schwab, let's see if there's another movement here. All right, definitely. No, I don't see that. So yeah, let me do Netflix really quickly as well. Yo, appreciate you all for tuning in. Thanks so much for the heads up, by the way. I was like, wait, hold on. That's weird. But, oh, wait, hold on. Not the 1 minute chart. The 24-hour. So let's go to 24-hour chart. Can you check the cues? Yeah, I got you, man. I can definitely check the cues for you. Appreciate it, man. Yeah, no worries. QQQ. Definitely do that. Did I do Tesla? I could have sworn I did Tesla. Wait, hold on. Yeah, I did do Tesla. But yeah, we'll do it again. Yeah, no worries at all. Where's my mouse? Okay, my mouse is here. We're good. All right, okay, cool. So Netflix, obviously it looks like it's going up, but I'm not gonna lie to you. I do see something here. Hopefully you guys and gals see it with me. Oh yeah, wait, hold on. Let me see if it's a 1 hour. Yeah, I like it, man. So APOD, yeah, no worries. Got you, yeah, I got you with Tesla. Amazon and APOD, yeah, let me write that down. APLD and AMZN, yeah. AMZN. Hold on, let me make sure the chat is good. Yeah, I think we're fine. RK, yo, Par, what's up? RKLB, yeah, I can definitely go over that too. RKLB, cool. So for Netflix, this is what I'm seeing. This is on a what? A 1 hour chart. Obviously, yes. What do we have here? I see a clear move up of all these green candles with no red candles interfering. And yes, this is exactly what I would want to the downside. In order for us to actually do this one, what do we need? We need a top wall, and also we would need a bottom wall. So what is this? What are these walls that I'm talking about? I'm looking for points of contact. And wow, this lines up perfectly. Top wall, I'm seeing body wick, like 4 or 5 body wicks closing directly at the same line. This bottom wall here, I see body wick and 2 body candles closing directly at the same line. What do we have under us? We have no resistance. So let's just say at some point in time, obviously, yes, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. I'm only going over examples. So there's nothing for us to do. So please do your own research. Not financial advice. And let's just say at some point in time, we do end up breaking and closing under this wall here. I don't see any. Yeah, I had to make it perfect. Sorry. So yes, this is another area of consolidation. Beautiful. And we don't want to trade inside of consolidation. We want to trade to consolidation. As you can see, what is this? Inside of the middle, we have the literal middle. So this is exactly what we would want. So right now, yes, what are we doing? We are consolidating. There's nothing for us to do at all except for just to wait. And about this, if we are consolidating in between these levels, I don't want to take a trade. I would only want to take a trade if we break outside of consolidation. So yes, guys, please do your own research, not financial advice. I'm only going over how I personally utilize Potterbox. So yes, you have to do your own research. So please, please, please do your own research. I know I'm saying that 24/7, but please do your own research. All right, yeah, we'll keep on going. Do you only take puts? No, so I know I'm the Put Brothers, but a funny story about that is because I do like puts a lot more, but I do love my calls too. So as you can see, I can show you charts. It doesn't matter. Like last week, we had a clear move down, and yes, these are all the trades I called out. I think this was like Tuesday to Wednesday. BABA. You can see move up, clear move down. We want to take it to the upside. We break above my wall. We go up to the upside. Same thing with DLTR. Clear move down. We end up breaking above this level, this wall. We go up and tap. So same thing here. Yo, thanks for the gifts. Thanks for the rose. Really appreciate it. So it works for, obviously, yes, you have to do your own research, not financial advice, but for me, yes, it works for calls and puts. It really just depends. I can just show you, I just want to show you more charts. 1 second here. I'll just scroll up. Let me just scroll up to even months ahead. So let's see, where are my charts at? So let's look at this. Clear move down of no consolidation. We ended up, at the end of the day, we broke above my level. We broke above my wall. GME, we went up and tapped. Same thing. NU, clear move down of no consolidation. We see we were consolidating in between these two levels. We ended up breaking above and tapping. So yes, yes, you can scroll through my games page and look at just my charts just to see what we do here. I look for the same method each day. And yes, clear move up. We have a bottom wall that needs to be broken. We ended up breaking below that wall. We go down and tap. So I look for the same play each and every day. I don't try to confuse any of my members. Either my play works or it doesn't work. Yeah, basically a breakout of consolidation. But yes, these boxes that you see here, these aren't just regular. So yes, the empty space is going to be the easiest part, but you have to understand these boxes, you have to draw the right boxes. Like, yes, it does look like I'm drawing random boxes, but I've been drawing these boxes for a very long time. It's not just, I'll just draw a box and then we go. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So yes, buyers are controlling the bottom floor and sellers are controlling the top. So buyers' job is to keep price pushing up. And if we reject from the bottom, we go up to the top. If we reject from the top, we go down to the bottom. So same thing here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, Christopher, yeah, Potter boxes. That's pretty much it. Shout out to Potter Stocks PBS as well. So 1 second here. And yes, guys, not financial advice. Please do your own research, especially if you're just joining into the live stream. Please, please, please do your own research, of course. But yeah, let's keep on going, though. So that was on what, Netflix, Tesla, same thing here. So this is what I pretty much have been waiting for all day. Or not all day, but probably for like a month or whatever. But anyways, yes, what do we have here? Let me go ahead and, hold on, give me a second. There we go. All right, hold on, give me a second. I gotta stretch my back. Man, I gotta get me a new chair, bro. I have a really good chair, but man, I need a better one. I'm only 23, but my back is, anyways. So what do we see here? So same exact thing here. We have a clear move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering. And this is basically an area of consolidation. And as you can see, we end up breaking above a level, above a wall, and we go up and tap. So right now, there's just nothing for us to do except for just to wait. Obviously, yes, we're in consolidation. What do I want to do here? Absolutely nothing. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research. But yeah, I'm not doing anything at all except for just waiting. And basically, yes, we're trading from one box to the next box, and that's pretty much it. How much do you make a day? So it really just depends on the setup and depends on if it's a day trade or a swing trade. But if you want to see what we do here, if you want to see the type of, obviously I can't show you anything. I can only show you the chart. So yes, you have to do your own research, not financial advice. But yeah, if you want to see the type of work that we do, you can go to the Discord. You can look at the games page. You can look at testimonials. You can ask the members, like either my play works or it doesn't. Let's see. So that is on Tesla. That does look pretty good. Maybe there is like a smaller time frame trade that is lining up. 1 second here, 1 second. So that was on Tesla. That did look pretty good. Dude, out of this whole live, no one told me to look at Apple. Isn't that wild? But let me look at INTC first. I'm a member and they do. Yo, thank you so much, Inflames. Appreciate the comment, man. ORCL. Yo, that's actually, no one has mentioned ORCL or Apple. ORCL. AAPL. And Amazon. Oh, dude, yeah. Yeah, let me go over Amazon first. So let me just pull this up. Got you. 1 second here. AMZN. Oh, that's not AMZN. Oh my gosh, I can't type right now. All good. But yeah, we'll keep on going. Or, dude, yeah, I think I remember that. So yeah, ORCL, and I think it was Sound that have like some very high contracts. But yeah, I will be honest. In my Discord, I don't like buying expensive contracts. I don't. You can, like, if you want to see the type of contracts we go for, you can look at the games page. I can't show you anything. I wish I could, but I can only show you the charts. Has a mind of its own. J&J, dude, I haven't even. That's a good suggestion. J&J, yeah, we'll definitely do that. But yeah, let's get straight to it, guys. And yes, please do your own research, not financial advice. I know I'm repeating myself every 5 seconds, but please do your own research. As you can see, what do we have here? And I'm looking for empty space, so same exact thing. Each and every day, I don't change anything at all. So what is this, guys and gals? Oh, that's a beautiful top wall. This is a beautiful, beautiful bottom wall. So yes, this is the area of consolidation that I like, that I love. As you can see, we have a bottom wall. So this is where buyers are controlling this floor. So buyers, their job is to push price up. Body wick, body candle closing directly the same line. If we do end up breaking below this level, I don't see any resistance until down here. Boom. Obviously, what is this, guys? This is another area of consolidation. And under that, what do we have here? More empty space. But yeah, we're not going to worry about that right now. Recommendations for beginners. So yes, guys, not financial advice. You have to do your own research. But personally, if I was a beginner, I would find a broker that I like. Obviously, you know, before I do anything, I would, you know, try to paper trade, see how, you know, how to utilize all the broker, you know, that I use, whether if that's Robinhood, Webull, Thinkorswim, find, you know, where you want to chart at, all that good stuff. And that's just pretty much it. Find a team, find, you know, a mentor or whatever. It doesn't have to be me. It doesn't have to be my Discord, obviously. It could be literally anyone. But yeah, just try to get a little bit more familiar with a lot of different brokers, with the charts, find a strategy you want to use, all that good stuff. But yeah, just make sure to do your own research, not financial advice. So please do your own research as well. But yeah, that's just pretty much it for me. Let's see. Not gonna lie, that does look pretty good though. AMZN. May have to. This is the group to be in. Everyone has been so helpful. Yo, thanks so much, Bill. Really appreciate it, man. So yeah, even in the free chat, like we help out a lot for sure. What AM? So yeah, definitely don't do that. So make sure you guys do your own research. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research. And yes, my Discord link is in the bio. You can join the free chat. So yes, everything is going to be in the bio. We have the free chat. We also have the VIP chat where we give signals, a lot more information. But yeah, honestly, if you want to join the free chat, you obviously can. See how you like it, all that good stuff. QQ490. Let me see as well. So honestly, Colin, so we have a free Discord. Like, obviously the VIP Discord is where we give the entries, the signals, and a lot more information. But yeah, we have the free chat. If you have any questions, just ask us. Drop your questions inside the channel. Everyone there is pretty cool. But yes, the VIP, we have what, $29 a week. We have $99 a month. We have the yearly. We also have the lifetime as well. But yeah, honestly, just join the free chat. See how you like it. Everyone there is really cool. But Amazon, that does look really good. But yes, please do your own research, everyone. Not financial advice, so please do your own research. So that was on AMZN. Let's look at INTC really quickly. So yeah, in the bio, it's going to be the first link. It's called WAP, but yeah, that's going to be the first link. That's going to take you to the Discord, and you can choose the free version of the VIP as well. But yeah, everything will be in the bio. Or you can just DM me for the link. All good, no worries at all. Ooh, dude, hold on. Wait, give me a second here. Okay, I do like the 2 hour a little bit better. I'm not gonna lie to you. Not the 3 hour. Give me out the 3 hour. Honestly, the 3 hour doesn't look bad. All right, so same thing here for INTC. And I'm looking for the same trade, the same method each and every day. I don't change anything at all. What do we see here? Same exact thing, guys and gals. What is this? There's a top wall. Beautiful. Bottom wall. So this is where, you know, these candles are consolidating in between these two areas. And what do we have above us? We have empty space. So there is no consolidations at all. There's no link in the bio. Hey, are you sure? Is there not a link in my bio? Let me know. So yeah, there is a link. It's just not gonna say Discord though. But as you can see, yes, guys, and please do your own research, not financial advice. And yes, just give me a DM if you don't see the link. But yeah, there is the link in there. Oh wow. Hold on, give me a second. Yeah, no worries, no worries. So we end up breaking above this wall here. I don't see any resistance, guys, until boom, this green candle here. Yeah, yeah. I was like, wait, there gotta be a link somewhere. But yeah, there. If you just click on my main page, and then you'll see the link there. You can just click on there. Okay, yeah. So no worries. If you guys and gals just give me a DM. I can send you that as well. Obviously, yes. Please do your own research, not financial advice. So please, before you do anything, before you try to do anything, do your own research. Just guys and gals, no, not financial advice. Wow, so this live stream, it looks like people are trying to copy me and stuff. It's fine, it's whatever. But anyways, if we move down, we have empty space there that looks pretty fire. Obviously, yes, first TP, or this is the box. From one box to the next box, it looks good, pretty good. Marco, what's up, dude? Honestly, I did not do it yet, so. Wait, hold on. What was this? I don't even remember this. Well, hold on. Give me a second. All right, it does look like we did end up targeting into this empty space here. I just pulled this up. Obviously, yes. Yeah, gotcha, man. Yeah, let me start on the 24-hour. It looks like we already tapped into this empty space here. Let's go down to a lower time frame, and we'll break it down. So if I don't see anything on a higher time frame, I will just go down to a lower time frame. Obviously, what is this? We'll go to a 4-hour. I'm not gonna lie. So yes, we do see some empty space building up. That does look pretty good. 1 second here. 1 second. Let's see, 2-hour. Oh wait, that 2-hour looks really good. Let me see what the 1 hour is talking. Oh yeah. Self-explanatory. Yeah, no worries. So yeah, if you are joining the Discord, everyone there is pretty cool. So if you have a question about literally anything, just make sure to drop it below. No one's gonna, you know, get mad at you. For anything. It's a positive community. We like to help each other out there as well. Sleep yeah, guys, just remember, not financial advice, so please do your own research, especially if you're joining the live stream. Not financial advice. You have to do your own research. I'm only going over the charts with examples. I am not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research. But yeah, as you can see, what do we have here? And I'm not gonna lie, the Discord sometimes it goes off all night. It's pretty funny. But what do we have here? Same thing. We have a top wall. We also have the bottom wall here. And this bottom wall that I'm clearly seeing is in. So no, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. I'm personally not getting into any trades. Well, I literally can't because it's Sunday. But yeah, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. So please do your own research. As you can see, what do we have? We have a top wall, bottom wall, and if we do end up breaking under this bottom wall here, I don't see any resistance, guys, until boom, this red candle here. Obviously, yes. What is this? This is also another box, another area of consolidation. As you can see, first TP would still be the middle of the move, and that middle of this move is literally the middle. So right now, no, I'm not doing anything at all. We are consolidating. There's just nothing for me to do except for just to wait. And yes, that's pretty much it. I'm going to wait for all of my trades. I don't do anything else except for wait until we break outside of consolidation. Hold on, give me a second. Let me charge my laptop before it ends up going to 0. Give me a second. Please go in. All right, yeah, we got it. Yeah, no worries, man, no worries. But please do your own research, not financial advice, of course. Let me check the chat as well. Let me make sure they're all striving. They're all good. Things of that sort here. Yeah, we're all good. We're good. Wait, hold on. Give me a second. UPS. Give me a second. Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, yeah, UPS. Yeah, we've been waiting on this one, too. So, this is another trade that I see here that does look pretty good. Can you go over a longer-term play for MS? Yeah, I can go over a longer-term play for sure. I personally like that 2-hour that we saw. But, yeah, I could go over even a monthly chart, even a week. Actually, you know what? We'll go to a monthly chart. Actually, no, we'll go to a weekly. So pretty much same thing here. I will be honest, it does look like I just don't really see anything that I personally like on. Hold on. Yeah, I will be honest, I really don't see anything that I personally like on a higher time frame. So if I don't see anything, if I see just consolidation, I personally just wouldn't want to take a trade. Yes, what is this here? This could also be another wall. This could also be an area that we could end up breaking above. But as of right now, we're consolidating, so there's just nothing for us to do, at least for this point. I know I'm doing this pretty fast, but I'm just, as you can see, yes, that 452 area does look good, but there's just nothing for me to do right now. We are clearly, we're consolidating in between these two levels. Looks like buyers are controlling this floor right now. Do you think the trading subscription is worth it? Obviously, yes, guys. Please do your own research, not financial advice. But personally, I have, so for the, let's see, let's go here. Let's go to, you know, a 24-hour. And the reason why I do like to have the subscription, as you can see, if it wants to load, is because I have a 24-hour chart, and I don't use the 1 day. So obviously, 1 day and 24 hours are the same thing, but not on TradingView. 1 day chart, you can see there's a lot more gaps. There's not a lot of information inside of these candles. So, as you can see, what do we have? 1 day chart, I go to a 24-hour chart. There's a lot less gaps. Obviously, I also use the the extended trading hours. So if we go to regular trading hours, there's still going to be a lot more gaps here. Don't want to trade that. So extended trading hours is going to be my best friend. What do you look out on for different time frames? So let's just say, so boom. So for MSCR, let's just say, I see this. If I see consolidation, and all of this is pretty much consolidation, I don't want to take that trade at all. So I go down to a lower time frame. Let's see if there's anything on the 4-hour. Yes, I see something on the 4-hour, but I don't see any structure. So I will go down, and I'll keep going down to the 2-hour, the 1 hour to see if there's anything here. And once I see something that I like, I see some structure, and boom, I seen empty space. So the empty space is pretty much what I'm targeting. We have a top wall. We also have a bottom wall. And under us, what do we have? Obviously, this is another box. And we just went over this trade. But anyways, yeah. So yes, I start on the highest time frame, or not the highest, but I start at the weekly 24-hour time frame. I go down. If I don't see anything there, I go down to the 4-hour. If I don't see anything on the 4-hour, 2-hour, obviously, so on and so forth. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Obviously, yes, guys, you have to do your own research, not financial advice. So please do your own research. Yo, Pinky, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. But we have the empty space there, so we will just have to wait and see what happens there. So yeah, so money back. So yeah, all these trades, and you know, if I take a trade on like a 1 hour, a 2 hour, 30-minute, if I take a trade or if I set a play there, it'll definitely be a day trade. I don't want to, you know, swing trade on a 30-minute chart or a 1 hour chart. As you can see, like, let's see, what do we have here? So like what, just last week we had the Qs and stuff, the Qs and the video. Like, hold on, let me show you some better charts here. Obviously you've seen them all, but like a 30-minute chart, a 1 hour chart, I don't want to swing this. I would definitely want to take a day trade. And let's just say, obviously this did hit my final take profit during the day. But if, you know, if I'm up and my final take profits haven't been hit yet, but I'm still green and it's coming towards the end of the day, I'm not swinging it. I'm just gonna take out my profits and just leave. Yo, what's up? Yo, Squidward, my guy, how are you, man? When you say empty space, what do you mean? So empty space is just an area of no consolidation. And obviously, yes, guys, please do your own research. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research. But yeah, 1 hour charts, 2 hour charts, probably like 30-minute, like 1 hour and under. I definitely won't be swinging it. It will be a day trade. But yeah, that's why we have the day trades and swing trades as well. So S-Bucks, let's see. One second. So empty space, so Crystal, I'm looking for an area of no consolidation. And as you can see, we'll break this down even more. What is this here? This is not empty space. This is an area of a consolidation. I would never want to take a trade here. What is this here? This right here is another area of consolidation. So this is where green candles and red candles are basically just bouncing in between these two levels. I don't want to take a trade there. But this, I've seen a good clear move up. And this is all green candles with no red candles interfering. So this is our empty space, obviously. And this is exactly what I would want to target. And we would just need a top wall and a bottom wall. So Starbucks, yeah, let me look at that as well. S-Bucks. But yes, guys, please do your own research. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please, before you do anything, do your own research, of course. Not financial advice. Yo, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. Thank you guys and gals so much. All right. Starbucks. Wait, we have something here? I think we have something here. Do we? Oh, yeah. So, yeah, I think we did have something here. I think we did this on a 4-hour, I believe. But that 24-hour did look really good. All right, yeah. So, same thing here. What do we have? We'll go ahead and break this down. What is this? This looks fairly amazing. When you swing into the next day, when do you close the trade? Honestly, it really just depends. So, let's just say if it's Tuesday and I'm swinging a trade into the next day, if my target hits the next day, I will be taking out. So, for example here, let's see. So, it was what? We had BA. One second. So, this was what? Just last week. We had a clear move down. And we swung this, I forgot, I think it was like Tuesday into Wednesday. And on Wednesday, we actually touched my first take profit. So, as soon as my take profits get hit, that's when I'm getting out. I don't care how long it takes. It could take, one day, it could take 3 days. You can see clear move down. We end up breaking above a level. Well, as soon as my take profits get hit, I'm out. I'm done with the trade. Like, I'm not doing anything else. I don't care, how longer I have. Yes, cannot stress this enough. When your target is hit, you trim, secure the bag. I would be done for the trade. Obviously, I don't care if I have, 2 weeks left of the contracts or things of that sort. So yeah, I tell my members, I'm like, okay, if the target gets hit, you better get out because it can end up reversing. But yeah, that's just pretty much it. But yeah, honestly, let's go ahead and pin his comment. The person I pinned is actually one of the moderators. He's a great trader, man. So make sure to give him a follow as well. Shout out to Glock. But yes, please do your own research, guys. Not financial advice. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. So please, before you do anything, do your own research. Obviously, what is this? Top wall. Beautiful, beautiful bottom wall here as well. And above us, so this is an area of consolidation. And above us, what do we have here? We have an area of no consolidation. That looks absolutely amazing. And if we end up breaking above that wall, I don't see any resistance until boom. This red candle here. This green candle here. And yes, what is this as well? This is also, hold on, give me a second. Rectangle, okay, cool. This is also another area of consolidation. So we don't want to trade inside of consolidation. We want to trade to consolidation. And that's pretty much it. What do you say? What if your trade opens at a loss the next day? So if let's just say, if my stop loss gets hit the next day, then I would get out and find the re-entry. So I don't really like holding losing trades. Obviously, I would give it a little bit of breathing room because sometimes it does like to tap top and then end up exploding. But as you can see, yeah, let's just say for Starbucks, if we ended up swinging this one, obviously, yes, not right now. You all have to do your own research. But yeah, we swung this and it ended up going back inside this box. I would be getting out, and once it looks good again, I would find the re-entry. But yeah, that's just pretty much it for me as well. But yes, guys, if you guys and gals do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. We have the free chat. We also have the VIP chat where we give out signals. If you want to see what we do in the Discord, look in the games page. You can look at the testimonials. You can even ask the members. Obviously, yes, we do have the VIP chat where we give out signals, but honestly, just join the free chat, see how you like it. But yeah, as of right now, there's just nothing for me to do. I'm not telling you guys to do anything. So yes, what is this? Clear move down. We are clearly consolidating. There's just nothing that I would want to take a trade on right now. So what am I going to do here? Absolutely nothing, because one, it's Sunday, and two, we are consolidating in between these levels. But yes, guys, really appreciate you all for tuning back in into the live stream. I will be getting off now. So yes, if you guys and gals do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. You can join the free chat. We have the VIP chat as well. But yes, I will be here tomorrow, and we mainly focus on end-of-day swing trades. So yes, if you guys and gals do want to join up, you guys can. Have a blessed one, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow morning. In Jesus' name, amen. I'll see you all soon. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Shout out to you guys. Thank you so much.